everyone, it's Jeremy from InstaLOD. In this video, we're going to take a brief look at how InstaLOD became a vital ingredient for Korea's premier 3D mapping service, Kakaomap. Let's dive in. Kakaomap is Korea's leading mapping service with 10 million monthly users that provides up-to-date and highly detailed information of cities and places in Korea. Users can receive quality recommendations for famous restaurants, interesting sights to see, as well as cultural events. Their latest technology, 3D Skyview, renders cities and geographic detail in stunning true-to-life 3D. However, the company faced many challenges trying to process large amounts of geographical, residential, and industrial building data while maintaining a high degree of visual fidelity. Large numbers of buildings needed to be displayed on screen at the same time. However, without optimization, the memory footprint would become too great for mobile devices, and levels of detail would need to be generated for a smooth experience. To solve these challenges, the team at Kakao utilized InstaLOD's remesher and stated that it effectively solved the trade-off problem between quality and capacity. They were able to create optimized geometry and texture atlases for each level of detail. Here, you can see how an artist optimizes one of their landmark buildings using InstaLOD for 3ds Max. With the remesher, new low-poly geometry is constructed and a new texture atlas is created in one step. In addition to using InstaLOD for 3ds Max, Kakao also took advantage of the InstaLOD C++ SDK. Since the Kakaomap 3D Skyview service was already based on C++, it was easy to integrate InstaLOD technology into their pre-existing pipeline. This made it easy to process large amounts of data at once, allowing the team to greatly improve their work efficiency. With InstaLOD, the Kakaomap data processing pipeline is now able to generate assets directly consumable by the mapping service. By integrating InstaLOD, the company was able to fully deliver on their 3D Skyview service vision and provide users in all regions of Korea with the high-quality data. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.